Hi friends, thanks for joining me for today's video. Today I'm going to be reviewing this MelodySusie gel polish kit. It comes with 24 colors plus 4, what do you call that, like the clear coats, like base, top, and I'll show you. So like when you open the box, it comes with like the user manual, so it gives you directions on how to use the gel polish and how to prep the nail. And then it also comes with a 20% off coupon for the buyer to use for their next purchase. So as you can see here, there are a bunch of colors. They are all 5 milliliters of product inside. It comes with 2 base coats, a regular top coat, and then a matte top coat. For today's design, I'm going to be using color 1133, which is this beautiful bright red. And needless to say, as you can see, it applies really well. Even with just one coat, it looks really good. And when I did the design on my client, I only used 1 coat of polish. So these polishes are really good quality. So moving on to the design, I'm going to go ahead and coat my client's nails with the base coat after I've already prepped her nails. And I usually like to do 2 base coats, so the footage you see here is me applying the second base coat to her nails. And this is just a side note, but look at how gorgeous my client's nails are. These are her natural nails, and like she literally doesn't do anything special. I think she barely puts on cuticle oil. Like she's just one of those people that are just blessed with naturally really strong, beautiful nail beds and nail plate, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm really jealous. So I just had to throw that out there. Another side note I'd like to point out is the viscosity of the base coat. I think it's the perfect viscosity for a base coat because it is not too thick and it's not too runny. So, I mean, I think for the most part, people can get away with just like that 1 coat of base coat, but you know, I just like to do 2 out of habit. And yeah, I just feel like it applied so well. It stayed in place. It wasn't running everywhere, which I hate when polishes do that. So another plus for this gel polish brand. And the next step will be to do the French design. So I'm taking a striper brush and my polish. I'm going to start in the middle so I can kind of know where to meet the that smile line in the middle of the nail there. I'm kind of doing it like in halves. So as you can see, again, just using 1 coat here, that's all I'm going to need for this set, and this MelodySusie gel polish coats the nail really, really well with just 1 coat. I was really impressed with it. My initial thoughts was that, 1, it came with a bunch of colors, as you saw in the previous clip. A lot of colors, a lot of beautiful colors. And the bottles are really small, but on the I think like the website, it says that it's really good for home use and salon use. I think something like this is better for home use because if you're working in a salon and you have clients, you're definitely going to need more than 5 milliliters per bottle for your clients and, you know, just your everyday salon work life. So that's just something that I noticed. But again, like, you can't really complain because it comes with so many colors, and I really hope they kind of like release this same kit but with full size, like 15 milliliter bottles. I would definitely hop on that so quick if they come out with that. But I'm sure that on their website they have a bunch of like different colors and polishes in the 15 milliliter bottle, so you can still purchase them. But yeah, I'm really liking this polish, and definitely think it's going to be something that I'm going to use in the future for future sets for sure. just gonna clean up the smile line a little bit before I move on to the other part of the design. And then for the nails that I did like that half French, or the French on only half the nail, I'm gonna go in with my transfer foil and stick the transfer foil on the other half of the nail. I like to use this tool. It's kind of like this silicone tool thing that really helps with the placement of stickers and foils. And then once I have the product on the nails, I'm just going to go in and clean it up a little bit. I have my French cleanup brush and some acetone to help get that line nice and crisp on the nail. And then we're going to finish off with the MelodySusie top coat that's included in the kit. And this top coat you're going to see in the final clips is super shiny. I was not expecting that at all. I was really shocked, to be honest, because I don't even know. I don't know what I was thinking or what I was expecting, but I guess I just wasn't expecting the top coat to be so shiny. And I mean, I can't complain at all. It's a great top coat, so I'm glad they included that in the kit. And here is the final result. So beautiful, so shiny. If you want to purchase this kit or anything else on MelodySusie.com, be sure to check the link in the description box for my promo code so you can save some money. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!